Hello and welcome back to Empty Nest Downsizing. I'm Deirdre and today I'm going to do the capsule wardrobe concept that I find has worked for me, and that's all. Honestly, those birds, can you hear the birds? They're very noisy. It's spring here in Melbourne, birds are going crazy, that's good. It's a beautiful sunny day, hence I'm a bit overexposed, but anyway, because this is very light in here. Now, the idea of a capsule wardrobe is to have a certain number of clothes. Some people say 30 items, some people say 20, some people say 60. It's that, to me, isn't the point. The point is to have a sort of a pared down wardrobe that works easily for you on a day-to-day basis. Now, it's everything is encapsulated in that wardrobe. For me, I think gym gear isn't, and really dressy, going out to a wedding or something like that. Those ones aren't either. Now, what I've done recently, and this is one that I've seen a few times on Pinterest, is the concept of using within that capsule wardrobe is to actually set up little units, little sets of clothes, modules that work really easily together. Still all work pretty much across the whole of the capsule wardrobe easily and well, but it's even more easy, I think, to use because you've got sets of clothes that really work well together and you just know, grab and go, not an issue. And so that's what I've set up in my wardrobe for this season. Now, of course, you normally see me in black turtlenecks, which of course I love, but mainly I use them on video because it gives a good contrast, and the stripes are doing it for me today, and it's more of a sort of a summery thing to go Breton stripe. But I do branch out a little further than that in my day-to-day wardrobe because I don't normally have to be thinking as I'm walking around about whether I am in good contrast or not. But let me just show you my wardrobe and I'll talk you through what I've basically got there and how it will work together. So there, in about 110 centimetres, which is about 44 inches, I have got at least 60 quite sort of classic outfits, plus we then add in the jeans and t-shirts and lightweight jumpers, and I'd have comfortably probably 70 or 80 outfits there. But by dividing it into 3 groups of shirts and trousers or skirts, the add-in dresses, whatever works for you, but that gives me a full season worth of clothes without repeating an outfit. And then on top of that, you add in whether you've got a jacket, need a jacket on top, or perhaps a loose cardigan or a jumper thrown over my shoulders, that sort of thing. And suddenly that's a very easy way to get dressed in the morning. Now you can see what I've done. I've put out the 3 modules, the 3 sets, whatever you want to call them, the units that I'm going to talk about. So all of these colours obviously will work together. We've got blacks and whites, we've got creams and pinks, and we've got whites and pinks and grey, and all of this is tied together with bits of black running through the whole thing. Now you'll see I wear pants 90% of the time, 99% of the time I wear dresses for occasions. So that's how my wardrobe is set up. I'll show you what's in each of these modules. Everything in this module obviously works with everything else. So I've got 3 tops in each module. I think there are 3 in each. There's certainly 3 in this one. And the pants work with all of those. The grey with any of those works perfectly well. And the white. Here I've got some cream jeans, quite heavyweight, so they'd be for cooler days. A nice dressy pair of linen pink pants that are rather fun. I've had those forever and they're just still the best things to wear. And then this cream silk shirt with a star pattern on it, and that's just gorgeous to wear, beautiful, but it's got the black again, so it all ties together. And then a classic Breton, I think this is And Other Stories, yeah, it was an And Other Stories one, really nice black and white or black and cream stripe, heavier, nice for spring. And then in summer is the sort of jumper, lightweight jumper you toss over your shoulders on a cool evening. So once again, that's another 6 outfits straight up. So that's 12 without thinking about it, without even mixing them. And then on this side I've got a plaid pair, a very lightweight plaid pair of trousers, and this black with a tiny little dot in them, and that works as my classic sort of black and white set. I've got a heavy, I think it was it's a Witchery, a heavyweight sort of t-shirt. I've got a nice Uniqlo silk. This one was a Naf Naf that I bought on sale ages and ages ago. It probably needs a bit of a whitening actually. It's getting a bit yellow, and a classic black Country Road shirt. So here there are 4 tops with 2 bottoms, and so that one is 8. So we've got 20 outfits. By working between each of these modules, these sets of clothes, you have 60 outfits. It's not a huge number of clothes to have in the wardrobe at any one time for a season, and yet there's real versatility. And then on top of that, as I say, I have my jeans over here, plus the pair I've got on, which are another slightly darker wash, more like this one. So I've got 3 pairs of dark wash out and a black pair, and then lots of t-shirts and lighter weight jumpers. So what do you think? That's my way of sorting out my wardrobe for a season, and with a few tweaks, some of the heavier clothes out and some lighter weight ones in. That's also looking after me for summer. Can you see it working for you? I hope that it's added something to the way that you look at your clothes, but for me, dividing them up into little groups made a huge difference. I just see the whole thing differently. If you would like more of this, then give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe and the notification bell to let me know that you're out there. Give me a wave, send me a comment, and I hope that whatever you're doing, you're having a lovely day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!